celebrate. Okay, so because Jenny is putting on big bingo, we decided to be challenged to math bingo. So how does this work, Nev?
I'm going to tell you.
Oh, go on now.
So I'm going to look at that. I don't need to look at that. I'm going to look at both of you. I'm going to give you some math. You've got to say what the answer is before you make sure you strike it on the bingo card. And of course, we're looking for straight line bingo. You know what straight line bingo is? Yeah, you can have it horizontal, vertical.
So give me the card, no?
Wait, no, they may not give you instructions before when you come dead last.
So
when
why
you
you give it a straight line? That's so
easy. No, I not play bingo.
Aye.
I do
The
play
show done
bingo.
8:30.
Yeah, okay,
sure
choose a
done it.
card. Just choose a card. Choose any card.
That's how you do it, yeah.
That's how you choose.
So I'm going to give you the math.
Yeah.
You have to you have to raise your hand like a class. Me
What?
teacher, you know the answer, and then you put you strike it.
You get it
Oh,
yourself.
that's how you get order in the class.
From
2 times 7.
14,
Go, strike it. 10 minus 2.
12, 8.
Back over. Somebody math is
I
not
feel better about myself. 20 minus 1.
19.
Good. Boys and girls at school are learning. 10 times 2.
20.
Who can get straight line first, sir? 25 minus 15. 25 minus 15.
10.
Hurry up. Remember in bingo is who strike first.
I don't know when we're going next. That's who's challenge quiz.
Fast.
You're doing wrong.
So let's go. 30 divided by 5. What is the answer?
6. When I say
Sure.
it,
9 plus 9.
18.
22 divided by 11.
22 divided by 11, 2.
Okay. 4 times 4.
4, 4, 16. What's 16?
What is it? 48 divided by 2.
46.
What you say?
48 divided by 2, 24.
46.
7. I feel great about myself. 7 plus 4.
11.
18 divided by 2. Yes! Who run the world?
Girls.
Who run the world?
Girls.
And watch a straight line.
Girls.
And watch a straight line.
Girls.
And big up yourself.
Girls.
And the prize is from Torpedo Loan. Prize is from Torpedo Loan. You're getting cash this morning. You're getting cash.
Win? How much?
You're getting cash
How much
this morning.
cash?
Of course. Give me it's over $100,000. But that's our next Friday. Come for it. Come to the cleaner, you get it. It's
So
only
what do you
fair.
win? So what do you win?
It's only fair. Let me tell you what you win.
By the way,
You've
by the
won
way,
the
by the
card
way,
that you
by the
play
way,
on.
by the way.
And I'm going to give you a whole tin of tasty cheese. I'm serious. I'm going to give you a
But you
tin of
don't
tasty
show me
cheese.
say she win.
Yep, no, but see it here, 2011, 24, 216. I have verified it as the bingo caller. That is it. We're going to make sure we hand you over to Simone or Simone. And we're handing you over to Never Bell, who cannot do much to save him life. A good thing saying good for something.
28 divided by 2 is 46.
46, good thing. The brother is a good coach and people love him and him continue to give. Keep giving,
see
brother.
what's that
But just give the
number.
right answer. You hear, Putus?
All right. Next time, baby.
What good?
You know, if I show for go over.
Yeah, me go.
Go to your
Yes,
time,
bye-bye.
sit down. You're late. Later, Gator. Don't be mad. Are you mad? Maybe I wasn't trying to make you look dirty, you know, you'd have to be vexed. All right, we'll soon come back. Sorry.
Travel for Hong Kong, me bring it like a handstand. Showing it.
Wait, no, but your video.
Travel for Hong Kong, me bring it like
Video
a
gone.
handstand.
Oh, dear. Wow. Ooh, yes. Not as fit as that. So,